Want to know how to participate in events in Snake.io? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's go straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Snake.io application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. Now, joining a challenge or any event is super simple. So, as soon as you open up your main game, here in the middle you should be already seeing the play icon and your daily challenges as well. So you can just simply swipe to the left or towards the right in order to find the event you want to play, and you can just simply select play just like this right here and play it. So if there are ads written right on the top right side of your play button, it means that you need to watch ad before playing it. And that's it. This is how you easily play an event mode or play daily challenges in Snake.io. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.